July Dump Instagram chain story. Hello guys and welcome to our channel. Welcome to World of Apps. In this video I will show you how you can do and where to find this viral Add Yours sticker, so keep on watching. First of all, you will have to go to your Instagram app, click on the search icon and search for Ali and John YTT. From here you will have to go to July Add Yours at highlights. If you go to my story, then you have to know that the story will expire in 24 hours, so it's best to go at July Add Yours at highlights. So click on that. And if the highlights are not loading, don't worry because I have a YouTube tutorial in the description box below. Now you just have to click on the Add Yours button. And also, if you're not able to click on the Add Yours button, I have a YouTube tutorial in the description box. Now you just have to go to your uploads and choose your first photo. I will go with this photo right here. Now you can place it where you want by using your two fingers, like you would zoom in or zoom out. Then to add another photo, a second, third, and so on, you can go to stickers from the top of the screen, which is here. Scroll down and click on this plus icon, and it will get you once again to your gallery, and you can choose your photos from there. I will go just with these two as an example, and now you can place your sticker when you want, make it bigger or smaller, and you can share this story with your friends once you are happy with it. So guys, if you have any questions, you can comment in the comment section down below and I'll make sure to answer to them as quickly as possible and help you out. You can also like this video if it was useful and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching guys. Have a great day. Bye bye.